Hello everyone and welcome to Culinary Mirch. Guys, today I will be cooking an Indian / Pakistani dish. It's called Mirch Murghi, which means black pepper chicken. One of the main ingredients for this particular dish to make a beautiful creamy silky sauce is to use cashews. But I've used cashews and almonds together because it's a perfect match made in heaven. I guarantee you will love these two textures and flavors when they come together in order to create this creamy sauce. So let's not waste any time. Let's get to it. It's a simple recipe, but yet extremely delicious. Come on, chop chop. guys, a quick tip. When you're using fenugreek, the dried fenugreek in this recipe or any food, make sure you're very precise with the measurements. Why? Because if you use a little bit too much of fenugreek in your food, it tends to make the food taste bitter. So be very careful how much fenugreek you use in your cooking. Guys, when you are sauteing the sauce, make sure you deglaze the pan very slowly by gently scrubbing the bottom of the pan to get all that caramelized onion, cashew, and almond paste. It will give your sauce a beautiful caramelized flavor and a very creamy brown texture, which you would definitely want when it comes to making a nice curry paste.